Okay, guys, this is the SDW Coding Academy. It's based in the US. All right, so today I'm going to show you guys how to create a simple website, right? Very simple, you know what I mean? And you can just build from there and build the greatest website if you want. So let's go here. Sure, I'll start it from scratch. I mean, you guys already got the basic fundamental, right? So you got the dial tag here. Now I'm going to change my title. My title here, I'm going to leave my title. What's going on with my keypad here, man? All right, so I'm going to say my title will be, instead of saying certificate in CSS, I'm going to do my title is building the blackest website in the world. Isn't that beautiful, bro? The blackest website in the world, right? So that's my title. And that's what we're going to be seeing in my browser. On top of my browser here, I got my LinkedIn CSS. I got right here my HTML Max CDN Bootstrap. Fun, awesome. All my fun is in there. I got my meta tag, chatset, UTF.8. I got this right here. This is actually how mobile my website can be. And, it can be on Android, it can be on a laptop, it can be on an iPad. The flexibility is there. Now I want to change my. Do I need both titles here? Nah, I'm gonna move the title, guys. I got too much titles here, right? Now I'm gonna get an H1. My H1 say front end developer. I'm gonna change that to my blackest website in the world. Sorry, guys. In the world, man. My blackest website in the world. That's amazing, man. The blackest website in the world. Oh, boy. Okay, guys. So I got that. That is my H1 here. Now I'm going to get rid of the, what I call the div tags. I'm going to get rid of all these div tags and everything here. And I'm going to go into my arep. Right, so I'm gonna go here. Oh, sorry, man. I'm gonna get my arep. Yeah, right. Oh man, my cursor is tripping, man. Arep. So I got my arep in here, and I'm just gonna do my arep in there, and I'm gonna do my index.html. And I'm going to leave that over there and say home. And okay, we got to create that bar now. You know what I mean? And then close it. Why my mouse here, man? Where's my mouse here, man? Sorry, guys. My mouse is acting up. Good. And I'm going to, instead of kind of repeating this, I'm just going to copy it. I'm going to copy this because I want to create, my navigational bar, right? And I'm just going to paste that and then change it to about, capital A, B-O-U-T, and I'm going to paste that here again, and I want to create gallery. It's gallery, you know what I mean? I want pictures in there, you know what I mean? You want people to see what you're doing, you know what I mean? I do, I want people to see what I'm doing, you know what I mean? A picture speaks to 10,000 words, right? Sure. Contact, you got to contact me, you know what I mean? You want to make some business transaction over here, make that money, you know what I mean? Now, so we got that in there. I want to separate my stuff, so I'm gonna do my my horizontal curve or horizontal line, however you call it. I'm gonna do my HR, and I'm gonna do my close it. You gotta close that tag. Do you know what I like about this tag? This tag doesn't have an open tag; it just has a closing tag. That's nice, isn't it? Now I'm gonna move down to my H2, and I want to welcome you to my website. You know what I mean? Welcome to the black website. You know what I mean? Gotta hang out with a black brother. You know what I mean? Black website, bro. And I'm gonna help you do now. You gotta hang with a brother. So I'm gonna say welcome to the blackest site. Man, isn't that amazing? Welcome to the blackest site. The blackest site. All right. Now I'm going to say, welcome to the Blackhead site. Welcome to my first, and then I'll go to my paragraph here. We've got to have a little bit of paragraph in here. You know, maybe I'm kind of crush that with the div tag. You know, I love the div tag for some reason. I just love the div tag. It just, you know, it's just create that separation. You know what I mean? Now I'm just gonna put my p tag in here. And hit that p tag, and I'm just gonna do it like that. And I'm gonna do yeah, nothing really fantastic. You know what I mean? Matter of fact, you know what? Let me be more creative here, right? You know what I mean? Welcome to my first ever website. You know, welcome to my first well-known blackest website to be published. Isn't that amazing, man? Can't go wrong with that one right there. Nah, can't go wrong with that. And then I'm gonna create another paragraph again, and say, I hope you like it. You know what I mean? You better like it. You know what I mean? Can't go wrong without black on black. Nah, man. Can't go wrong without black on black. Nah. Hit that right there, and they're gonna say, I hope you like it. You know what I mean? Hope you like my website. Something like that. You know what I mean? Now I got my body tag and everything in here. So let's see thus far what we have done thus far. The crazy thing about that is like, hopefully it's not synced. It's not linked. So let me move this link here. Remove the link of my CSS. And let's go to remove the link. Move that link. All right. And then I'm gonna go move it. I'm gonna delete it, and I'm going you know what? Yeah. And then going to save. Going to what? We're going to save as. And then we got that in there. Save that index. You know what I mean? Nothing really biggie. Hit that. Yes. Now let's see what we got here. Right. I'm gonna go into the. Hold on. Let's go back to my folder here. So I want to see what we got here, and I want to make sure that I'm misleading you guys. You know what I mean? I'm not misleading nobody. You know, I want you guys to know you're learning from the best. You know, and you know the best. Oh, we gotta prove we the best. You know, so let's open this in Chrome and let's see what we got. Bingo, my blackest website in the world, right? That's my what? What is that there? What is that? My blackest website in the world, right? In here we got building the blackest website. You see, that's right there. All right, now this gotta be my ish one here, right? This got to be my bars, you know what I mean? My home, my about, my gallery, my contact. And you know, welcome to the to the blackest. Man, you know how they put the welcome to the blackest? Welcome to the blackest. All right, let's go and save again. Save that. Yep, repeat that. And I'm gonna go back to my browser and I'll refresh that. Apologize, guys. Welcome to the my blackest. Let's go back in there. See, that's how you keep doing it until you get it right. And then you go back in there, and then you save it again. And you say yes. And you go back and refresh it again. And then here we go. Welcome to first world. Welcome to my first. Well, no, yes, I had it first right, man. What's going on here, man? See, that's a problem, man. Welcome to my first. I had it right. You know what I mean? I had it right, didn't I? Did have it right. Okay. Bingo. So we'll go back here and refresh it. Voila. There we have it. Welcome to my first well-known blackest website to be published. Hope you like it. Now, let's see what else we got here. Now, with that being said, let's see what else we got to do. Let's keep moving now. So now I want to create this in a way where I can bring in my CSS, right? So I got my CSS here. I'm gonna go back into my index, and I'm gonna paste my CSS, right? So my CSS in here. I will show you guys eventually how to link your CSS folder to your hard drive, right? Now I'm gonna erase all this crap here because you know what? Technically, do I really need this in there for real? I probably would. You know what? How can I minimize this? So let's go into here. I got my black guys, my background color is light blue. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna make that red. You know what I mean? Make that blue. Not light blue, but blue. Make it blue. My padding is 2 pixels. My font size is 20 pixels. My color is black. My background color is black. My margin right is 5 pixels. I want to add a few more things here though. You know what? Let me use the hecto, right? And I'm sick of using the RGB. Give me the hexo. EF. See not looking good? Bingo. So now there's a few little changes here. My font family will be, let me use my font family. My font family will be here. I'm gonna use the ARIAL. My font family that will be my color black, this and that. Now I use my H1. I got my H1 here, hover, but this time around I'm not using the hover one, so I'm just gonna use the H1. So I'm gonna get rid of this, get rid of hover over there. My H1, there's no color, so I'm gonna remove this and just make my H1 font size. My font size here would be 18 pixels. 18 pixels, and I got my semicolon, 18 pixels. Semicolon, what else I got here? I want to use my, I got my, I got these links here now. I want to use my links, right? So I'm using my A here, right, into my star sheet. So I'm going to use my A color first of all here. Let me get rid of all this. Now we got H1. I'm gonna get rid of that. I'm gonna get rid of all this here. I think I need all this here. I'm gonna get rid of all these here. I'm gonna get rid of all these here, and I'm gonna put my A here, and I'm gonna bring that down. And what do I have for color? Color will be I'm using the hecto. So I got 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. I got 6 zeros. So I got 6 zeros, and I'm gonna copy that, and I'm gonna bring that down here, paste it. And now this time around, I want to use my hover on this one, because I'm going to do a hover over my nav bar. These here, I want to be the hover over these right here. So that's why I'm creating the hover here. HOVER. Hover now. What do I have for my hover here? Color is exactly that. I want to see what my text is. Text, TEX. Text decoration will be decoration, and I'll say not, right? N-O-E. Decoration will be not. And my H2, I forgot my H2. Oh, I didn't forget no H2. Did I have an H2 in there? Did I have an H2 in there? Yes, I do have an H2 in here, right? So let's go for H2. H2. And I hit that. Close that. And what do I have for my H2 font size? Will be my font size will be 16 pixels. 16 pixels. 16 pixels. And then what else we got in here? We got paragraph, right? Got my P tag in here. I get that. My P tag will be font size will be 14 pixels, right? 14 pixels. And I'm gonna hit save on this here. I'm gonna hit Shift Control Save. Yeah. And I'm gonna hit Save, Control Save on this too. Yeah. And I'm gonna refresh this and see what we got here. Refresh. Bingo. That's what we got. See, guys? This is how you do it, guys. Let me see if I can expand this thing and make it even bigger so you guys can see it. And I'm saying that's how you do it. Simple, easy website. Easy website, guys. That's how easy it is. And like I said again, you can go on and on, expand on this thing and do some bad, crazy stuff on this thing, man. Real talk. I love you guys, and God bless. Have a good day. Remember, education is something that you learn and you pass it on to others. I love you, man. God bless.